everybody out there in YouTube land. This is Stuart Smith with Stuartism Designs. If you haven't heard of me before and you just come onto the page, I paint monsters for a living, mostly in UV and 3D. I travel the world doing haunted houses and some automotive and what have you. So, hey, we got another 8x9 here for Skeleton's Lair in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We're doing her start to finish. So, hey, please subscribe. Hit that little bell. We do a lot of videos. So if you want to see the next one coming up, we're going all over the country. We're leaving next week for Bowling Green, Kentucky, then Waverly Hills Sanatorium, and then Indy Scream Park, and then out to Texas to do Moxley Manor and a couple other places. Going to be hitting a big one in Arkansas in September. Sloss Freight Furnace in Birmingham, Alabama at the end of September. Heading out to Texas to do a Krampus themed one. So, hey, if you want to see those videos, hit that button. Subscribe, please. I'd really appreciate it. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.